Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, this is Kevin from Pickin in the Hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I just want to talk to y'all about a couple of things. First of all, I'm Kevin out of St. Louis, Missouri. Yeah, I go to Goodwills, trash cans, yard sales, state sales, anything. I pick up soda cans too. Yeah, bottles. I don't give a damn. Anyway, y'all. Yeah, and I resell, do everything on eBay. Resell on eBay and Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. Anyway, y'all, I want to talk to y'all about something serious. Yeah, I'm sorry about the bouncing. I'm trying to stop it. Last Thursday on July the 15th, you know, I work, you know, on ladders all the time, even when I'm off. But I was doing some work, checking some smoke detectors on a stage, and I fell and cracked the back of my head. I had to get 7 stitches. The cut was, when I busted my head, the cut was like a little bit over 5 inches long. Yeah, so I ain't telling nobody. This was last Thursday. I ain't telling nobody about it. So I just wanted to make a video today because I stopped taking my blood pressure medicine about 1.5 years ago. I said, it ain't helping me, you know. It's making me sick, whatever, you know. Because I don't take medication. Even if I have a headache, I don't take it. If I got a real severe cold, I sweat it out, you know. I think medication just covers up what's ailing you, and as soon as you stop taking it, come right back. So, but anyway, y'all, so I fell off the ladder. They rushed me to the hospital. First of all, let me tell you something. I didn't think it was that bad. It was blood everywhere, but I didn't think it was that bad. So I carry a towel around with me because I sweat. So I put it on the head and applied pressure, and then that stopped bleeding. So I was talking to the lady, I guess workman's comp lady from my company I work for, and I kept telling her, please give me the information so I can go to the hospital. But she kept trying to ask me questions about what happened and all that. I said, lady, I'm bleeding. Please, can you send me to the hospital? What hospital do you want me to go to? Anyway, so while I was standing there talking, the maintenance people from the school I was at said, let me see the cut. So I let them see it, and they was like, oh my God, you need to go to the hospital, oh my God. They was panicking. So they was panicking, so they called EMS. EMS came, and, you know, I told them to take a picture of the cut, of the cut that was on my head, because, you know, I wanted to see it was causing such a racket. So they showed me the picture. And I was like, I done seen brains on the ground. I done seen people's legs wrapped around their head. I said, that ain't nothing, you know. But anyway, it's something to them because they never seen something like that before, I guess. But they took me to the hospital. The point I'm trying to make, they took me to the hospital. And my blood pressure was 244 over 118. 244 over 118. So I spent the next 2 days in there. I was there Thursday. I spent Friday and part of Saturday for them to get my blood pressure down. Now I got down to 164 over 88 or something like that. Anyway, y'all, the point I'm trying to make is that some medication they give you helps you. Like, this medication helps to keep my blood pressure down. I should have kept taking it. I didn't know my blood pressure so high. I felt like a normal person walking around. You know what I'm saying? But that was a stroke and a heart attack just ready to happen. You know what I'm saying? So they came in and took an echo, what's it called? I can't think of the name right now. But it's like when you go, you know, you see what kind of baby you got and see if your baby doing okay. It's that kind of test where they put the thing on your heart, and they while your heart beating, they have you turn on your side, And I can't think of the name of that damn thing. Anyway, y'all, what the hell? That's what they did. And they said my heart was fine. You know, beat over 65%. That's what they wanted at, in between 60 and 65%. So that my heart was okay. But the walls of my heart was real thick because of the blood pressure. But I didn't know I was walking time bomb until I fell off that ladder. And I'm on ladders all the time. Anyway, y'all, the point is, get your blood pressure checked. Keep taking your blood pressure medication. Don't never get off of it. You know, mine make me pee all the time, 24 hours a day. You know, so just make sure you take care of yourself. I thought I was doing good when I was really doing bad. So anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, Pickin in the Hood too. I just wanted to tell y'all what I went through. I ain't tell nobody. I didn't post it. I might put the pictures of the crack on my head. I might put it on this video so you can see. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin, Pickin in the Hood too. You know, like, subscribe, whatever. And I just want to say peace.